Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Odyssey cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Make sure it's completely empty, as you'll need to remove it. Having a clean workspace makes the next steps much easier. Also, have your new cabin air filter ready to go, ensuring it's the correct size for your vehicle. Next, you'll need to detach the dampener arm, usually found on the right side of the glove box. Once that's free, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box. This will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down completely, giving you access to the filter housing. Now, locate the two clips on the cabin filter housing cover and unclip them. With the cover removed, you can easily slide out the old, dirty filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. Your new filter will have one too. Make sure the new filter's arrow points in the same direction when you slide it in. To finish up, simply reattach the filter housing cover, making sure it clicks securely into place. Then, lift the glove box back up, re-engaging the stops, and don't forget to reattach the dampener arm. This quick maintenance task helps keep your cabin air fresh. For more great deals and to grab some Little Tree's black ice for a fresh car scent, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.